So next we'll talk about the Pandas highlighting function. This allows us to really highlight the min, the max, null values very quick and easy, and allows us to the ability to and find kind of things. If we have many rows in our data frame, just like we can just maybe quickly, easy find the null values and really understand the rest of the row, either where the max and the min are occurring and what the rest of the row would be like. Just quickly, easy find that. I think I most often use this when I'm trying to communicate results. I'm trying to show that what I find, right? I want to communicate this to one person or the other person, and I want to say, this is the first time a user has, my end user, my business partners have read this report, and I want to share certain things, high or low, maybe the null values, and really kind of explain, this null value, this maximum values occurring in this row and this observation, so the rest of the details with that. And that makes it easier for them to see and find. You might be familiar with the data, and so it seems like it's kind of a little bit easier to find out if you get familiar with it. But often the first time someone else is reading a report, you just want to make it as easy as possible, so you can really concentrate on the insight, the value that you're trying to provide, instead of the search for what you're trying to find. You want to make it as easy for them to find the answers that you provide. Let's get up to our remarks.